We are now going to watch Cedar Valley Nature Trail. The Cedar Valley Nature Trail is located 30 kilometers from Platres in the Troodos Forest Mountains. The nature trail is linear and is 2.5 kilometers long. At the end of the nature trail is a Triplos mountain, and from there you can have a panoramic view of the Cedar Valley, the Paphos Forest and Akamas Peninsula. This valley has about 200,000 trees, and most of the trees are cedars, Citrus brevifolia, which are very close relatives of the Lebanon cedars. The Citrus brevifolia is an endemic species that can reach 30 meters high. The mature trees have horizontal branches and they can live up to 500 years. They have small needle-shaped leaves and very resistant wood that cannot be infected by insects. It is a protected species with high ecological value. The whole valley is classified as a special protection area, not only for the cedars but also for its important fauna. It is a habitat for many birds such as the Rasnian jay, Carolus gladarius, that appears in this video. It is also a habitat of the Cypriot mouflon, which is an endemic protected wild sheep of Cyprus, also appear in the video.